I want to share something with you today that's going to help your blood circulation get into your legs and feet so you can feel much better.
Did you know your poor leg circulation might have nothing to do with age and everything to do with what's missing on your plate? Forget medicine and creams. These 5 powerhouse vegetables can unclog, energize, and supercharge your legs from the inside out. And chances are, you are not eating enough of them. In this video, you will learn about 5 vegetables that will up your leg circulation game alongside a V-Flow framework to get all of them into your daily routine, naturally.
Understand that there are millions and millions of people who have poor circulation in their legs and feet. Where you're getting swelling, you're having difficulty walking, tightening in the ankles, and there are many things that cause this. We know that poor diet, excessive refined and white sugars that lead to excessive accumulation of plaquing in the arteries.
Vegetables play a key role in promoting healthy circulation, specifically in the legs, where steady blood flow is especially needed. Vegetables are loaded with different nutrients that provide benefits for your circulatory system, making them an integral part of your diet. One notable benefit of vegetables is their ability to keep blood vessels flexible. The majority of vegetables are packed with nitrates, a substance that our body converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes and widens your blood vessels to ensure smooth blood flow all across your body. On the other hand, vegetables are also beneficial when it comes to red blood cell production. Some vegetables offer nutrients like folate, iron, and vitamin B12, which are essential in producing these healthy cells and transporting oxygen throughout every part of the body. In addition, vegetables are also anti-inflammatory, which can fight chronic inflammation that may clog veins and affect circulation. The list of vegetables I will discuss in the video is full of antioxidants, aiding in neutralizing free radicals and lowering oxidative stress. And of course, to make things easy, I am introducing the V-Flow framework, which stands for vitamins, food, lifestyle, optimization, and water. By the end of this video, you will learn how to use it. But before we continue, this content is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider with any questions about your health or a medical condition. So, without further ado, let's discuss those 5 game-changing vegetables. The number 1 vegetable on the list is beans. Beans are amazing because they are packed with a lot of nutrients, supporting healthy blood circulation. Apart from being delicious and versatile, these legumes provide benefits that boost your cardiovascular health as well as blood flow.
Legumes. Beans are a good source of dietary fiber. They've got healthy fats in them, and it turns out that beans improve your metabolism by burning down harmful body fat, that lowers inflammation, and by shrinking harmful fat, burning down harmful fat, we're actually unloading our circulation as well. When you've got a lot of fat, your blood's got to pump out against basically a wall of fat, blood through a wall of fat. So decreasing excess body fat, visceral fat, is actually a good thing.
One of their main benefits, which is improved circulation, is due to their high fiber content. Dietary fiber is highly helpful in reducing the amount of bad cholesterol, or LDL, in the blood, preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries in the first place. This way, the blood vessels remain flexible and open, letting blood flow smoothly throughout the body. Black beans, lentils, and chickpeas offer a good amount of fiber. In addition to that, beans are also a great source of potassium, a mineral used to maintain blood pressure levels. High blood pressure can weaken the arteries and interfere with circulation, but potassium cancels this effect by balancing the sodium content in the body, keeping blood vessels relaxed and dilated. Kidney beans and white beans are the best sources of potassium. Moreover, beans have potent antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, both of which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which otherwise may damage the blood vessels. Lastly, beans are full of plant-based iron, which is helpful in producing red blood cells. These red blood cells transport oxygen all across the body, ensuring every muscle and tissue, including the legs, receives adequate oxygen. By adding beans to your daily diet, you can easily boost circulation and encourage the growth of a healthy cardiovascular system. You can try out different recipes incorporating beans every day. For example, spicy beans and avocado toast. First, mash avocados in a bowl with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and chili powder. Then, in a separate bowl, mash cooked black beans. Now spread the avocado over a toast and finish with a layer of black beans. Garnish with tomatoes, cilantro, and a pinch of chili flakes according to your liking. The second vegetable on this list is carrots. Carrots aren't only a crunchy and delicious snack, they are loaded with nutrients that boost overall health, including circulation. These colorful vegetables are an excellent addition to any meal, offering cardiovascular benefits.
Okay, and studies in the Netherlands are showing foods eating carotenoids like carrots can lower excess body fat, burn away the extra visceral fat, which lowers inflammation, and that can actually unburden your circulation, making blood flow a little bit better. Now, carrots are also a good source of dietary fiber. Feeding your gut bacteria this fiber allows them to lower and streamline your metabolism of your lipids, which then makes it less likely you'll have a blockage. You see how this works? Good gut health, dietary fiber, better lipid management. Also, lowering inflammation is absolutely critical, and that's what...
One of the main nutrients of carrots is beta-carotene, a carotenoid that converts into vitamin A in the body. Besides, antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting the free radicals in the body, which otherwise might cause oxidative stress and damage the blood vessels. On top of that, carrots also contain vitamin K. This vitamin supports optimal blood clotting and strengthens blood vessels, lowering the likelihood of circulatory issues. They also pack a lot of potassium, which is an essential mineral for keeping blood pressure maintained by balancing the amount of sodium in the body. Stable blood pressure is highly important for smooth and consistent circulation. Carrots' fiber content is also what makes them an amazing vegetable for circulation. Fiber aids in cholesterol control, preventing plaque buildup in arteries, which is a common reason behind reduced blood flow. So, by keeping the arteries healthy and free from plaque, carrots make sure that there is an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. The polyphenols in carrots are also worth discussing. These compounds make carrots an efficient anti-inflammatory food. By lowering inflammation, carrots protect the blood vessels from chronic damage while improving circulation in areas of low blood flow, like the legs. You can munch on carrots as it is, or include them in different meals. For example, you can try making honey garlic roasted carrots. Start by peeling and cutting 4 to 5 carrots into round shapes and tossing them with olive oil, honey, minced garlic, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Place carrots on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Roast the carrots in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they are cooked. The third one on the list is garlic, which is a key ingredient in almost every meal. But apart from bringing amazing taste to food, garlic is also known for its remarkable healing effects and ability to improve blood circulation. For centuries, garlic has been used as a natural remedy to strengthen cardiovascular health.
And what garlic does is amazing. It's good for leg circulation. Garlic's been shown to lower blood lipids, all right? So lower blood cholesterol, lower the bad cholesterol, the LDL, maintain good or even raise good HDL cholesterol. And that's important to actually protect the blood vessels that you don't want to have narrowed into your legs and your feet.
Garlic works through its high allicin content, which is a sulfur compound released when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin is known to widen and relax blood vessels through a process called vasodilation. This supports smooth blood flow and lowers the strain on the cardiovascular system. Moreover, garlic has blood-thinning properties, which ultimately help prevent the formation of blood clots that impair circulation. Through this, garlic reduces the risk of blockages in arteries and veins. It also prevents plaque buildup in arteries by minimizing the amount of bad cholesterol, or LDL, in the blood. On top of that, garlic is also a strong antioxidant. It fights free radicals and lowers oxidative stress as well as inflammation in the blood vessels. This way, the arteries remain flexible and healthy, ensuring smooth blood flow to vital organs and muscles. You can easily incorporate garlic into most of your dishes. For example, you can prepare garlic olive oil dip. Start by cooking minced garlic and olive oil in a pan until it turns light golden. Transfer it to a bowl and add lemon juice alongside a pinch of salt. Now let it cool for a bit and then store it in a glass jar. If you want, you can also add chili flakes or parsley to it. You can drizzle it over steamed veggies, use it as a salad dressing base, or pour it over roasted potatoes. The fourth vegetable is lemon. Lemons aren't just a zesty addition to any dish. They are a nutrient powerhouse when it comes to improving overall health, including blood circulation. One of the best nutrients lemons offer is vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant. Vitamin C safeguards blood vessels from oxidative stress, keeping them flexible and strong. This ensures smooth blood flow and prevents any damage to arteries or vessels.
Which is rich in vitamin C. It's a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your blood vessels. Vitamin C helps in the production of collagen, a protein that provides strength and elasticity to the blood vessels. And by supporting the integrity of these blood vessel walls, vitamin C will indirectly promote healthy circulation. It helps prevent the damage and weakening of the blood vessels, reducing the risk of conditions like atherosclerosis, which is hardening of the arteries, clogging of the arteries, and promoting overall cardiovascular health.
Lemons also contain citrus flavonoids, which are well known to support circulation while reducing inflammation. These compounds encourage healthy blood vessel function and support the regeneration of damaged body cells. In addition to that, lemons are a great source of potassium. This means these bright yellow citrus fruits can be helpful in maintaining blood pressure as well. Optimal blood pressure is key to having smooth circulation, and lemons can help keep it stable. Some nutrients in lemons can prevent the formation of blood clots, ensuring thinner and smoother blood flow. So consider squeezing a lemon simply into a glass of water or any of your meals to acquire smoother blood flow. You can also try making a garlic and lemon spice bean bowl. Start by heating olive oil in a skillet. Then add minced garlic and cook until golden brown. Now add cooked beans to it and mix everything. Sprinkle cumin, chili flakes, salt, and pepper, and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until beans are crispy. Finish with a squeeze of a lemon. The last vegetable on this list is beetroot. Beetroot is fully loaded with nitrates, which our body later converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is known to dilate the blood vessels in a process called vasodilation. This boosted blood vessel function ensures smoother blood flow throughout the body, especially in the legs and other extremities.
Beetroot juice is the best juice to help increase nitric oxide production, and this promotes vasodilation. And what's amazing is that within those vessels deep inside, that nitric oxide is produced not only in your legs or your arms or any other part of your body, it's produced everywhere. Realize that when you have a narrowing of an artery, less blood can get through that artery. So you're having less circulation getting into your feet. You're retaining more fluid as it's gathering up. Unfortunately, we have gravity working against us. But hold on. If we can vasodilate those arteries, as well as increase our exercise, utilize those muscles, squeeze on those veins, which I'll get to at the end.
Beetroot is also a great source of antioxidants like betalains, giving it a deep red color. Furthermore, they also help lower inflammation and oxidative stress, ultimately protecting the blood vessels from damage. In addition, beetroot also offers folate and iron, both of which are important in the production of red blood cells. Red blood cells transport oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, ensuring that every organ and muscle functions properly. Regular intake of beetroot is proven to be effective in improving the cardiovascular system, circulation, and overall health. Regardless of the way it is consumed, beetroot can be a delicious way to boost circulation. The best way you have beetroot is by combining it with honey and lemon. Blend chopped pieces of beetroot with water and strain the liquid into a glass. Now stir some lemon juice and honey into it until well combined. If you want, you can toss in some ice cubes or enjoy as it is. Now, by using the V-Flow formula, you can make the most out of these veggies. For vitamins, check out my other video. The only 5 vitamins you need to improve leg circulation, and stick to any one of those vitamins. For food, make sure to choose whole foods and the vegetables in this list. Next, add slow walking or stretching to your daily routine. Lastly, keep track of your meals and stay hydrated always. That is it. If you liked watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.